By mistake, one video cut in between. So here I will upload in part 2. So where I was talking about I learned do anything with calm mind like math solve. So in that situation, if somebody give me any question of math, so there if I know the correct answer, still I cannot give. Still I write in my notebook wrong answer. So because on that time my mind was not calm, that is why it happened all the time. But now if somebody give me question, I have to first any question if somebody give me, I solve that question with calm mind. And I learned about electric cell battery, and I learned about conductor and insulator, and about multiplication over addition and reciprocal existence of multiplication identity and multiplicative inverse and multiplicative property of 0, and follow up and I learned about continuously do that work until when it not complete, and I learned about torchlight and about twin Padmavati and about how to solve division questions of rational number, and about always first care of your body and then do another, and about terminal of your LED, and I learned to always think positive things, and if I will do practical of any topic, then I will understand better. Always first listen carefully and then react, and I learned about a certain then react. Means always listen what somebody is saying and then do any reaction. And I learned about circuit diagrams, electric switch, and about circuit sign, and about conductor and insulator, and I learned after when I explained something to anything to someone, then asked what he understood, so there will be no confusion. And I learned about fraction and decimal, and about find rational number between two integers, and I learned about insulator uses in real life, and about how to solve question of word problem of rational numbers, and I learned about Major Mohit Sharma, and about Sri Prakash Shukla, and about if we feel any problem, we have to ask for help without any hesitation. And I learned that before giving up, always do first try, and about how to find LCM and HCF. Means LCF and HCF, it is different. Like in the question, HCF is given, but I have to find LCM, and LCM is given, and then I have to find HCF. Like this I learned, and I learned how to solve LCM and HCF question of rational numbers, and about metal and non-metal, and about illustrious malleability, ductility, and sonority, and about how to find decimal by long division method, and about conductions of heat, conduction of electricity, and effect of air and water on metals, iron. This was my learning outcomes of model first. Here is third presentation, highlight of model first, year 2026 to 2027, year 4. There flow of the presentations, I will talk about only 2 points, what went well and milestone and first time. So what went well, so completed my yearly review 52 weeks calendar and looking ahead planning I completed, and I fulfilled my promise. These are the points of what went well, and I fulfilled my promise of 37 days, and I achieved my planned goal 12 days. Not only 12 days. Here is number mistake, not only
12 दिन का month 1 में कर दीजिए
not only 12 days. There will be more, and I did more than 13 hour time in center 20 days, and did more 2 and 3 hours of mathematics 8 days, and I completed class 6 science chapter 11 and 12 with question and answer, and I started class 7, and in class 7 I completed 3 chapters, and I did English reading, writing, speaking, listening, and word meaning on 28 days, and read 50 pages in 1 week. In what means daily I can and develop the habit of reading 10 pages per day. Means 10 pages per day I can read, and in 1 week I read 50 pages. In 1 week I read 50 pages, but in that day I did not read 2 days, on Saturday and Sunday, and I did creative writing and maintained mostly green circles daily routine activity for 14 days, and completed 7 weekly tests including one test 3 hours, which was a monthly test, and I did more than 1 hour 2 hours seva 8 days, and completed the swing pillars fixing project, and completed Sapne Hakikat on time, and improved my overall performance in mathematics, science, and English throughout these weeks. There is milestone and first time. So this model in model first in one, I don't remember the week, but on Wednesday a stone came in evening time, and this model I saw one snake which went front of me, and this model I saw big deeper sky, and this model one day I came in center at 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and this model in farming project one time flowing the farm is done, and this week I attend a speaking class with a map.
This model or this week?
This model. There will be this model in 1 week. I think in week 10 or week 9 I attend a speaking class with ma'am. So this presentation is also, and you have any question?